A handyman typically handles a variety of maintenance and repair tasks, which can include fixing plumbing systems, repairing electrical switches, painting, carpentry, and more. They often work in homes, businesses, or public spaces. Would you like more specific information on any of these tasks? A TV installer typically handles tasks such as mounting the TV on the wall, setting up and connecting audiovisual equipment, configuring smart TV functions, and ensuring all cables are neatly organized. They may also provide guidance on the best placement for optimal viewing and sound experience. Do you need help finding a TV installation service?